Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make a strawberry and vanilla cake. Look at the cake, it looks soft and moist. So let's begin. For this you will need a pack of strawberries. The strawberries need to be fresh and ripe. Chop them into thin slices. Now transfer them to a pan. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar to it. Cook them on low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Continue cooking them until they turn soft like this. Now, once the strawberries are soft, add a teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Mix well and then switch off the flame. Now, transfer this to a plate and let it cool down. To a blender jar, add 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Then crack 2 eggs. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1/4 cup of oil. 2 tablespoons of butter. I have used salted butter here. Blend this all together into a thick and creamy consistency and transfer it to a bowl. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Give a quick mix and sift the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Keep your cake tin ready lined with the butter paper. Add the dry ingredients in parts and fold the batter using a spatula. Do not use a whisk here. Add the remaining dry ingredients and mix well. Now slowly add milk to adjust the consistency of the batter. You may need 1/4 cup or a little more. Add the milk in parts. Do not overmix as it will turn the cake hard. Preheat your oven at 170 degree. Once the batter is ready, transfer it to the cake tin. Add only half of it. Now add the strawberry and sugar mixture and spread it evenly with the help of a fork. Add another layer of the batter and also the strawberry and sugar mixture and spread it evenly again on the top layer. Now just add some fresh or dried strawberries on the top layer. If you're using dried strawberries, just dust them with some all-purpose flour. Bake the cake at 170 degrees for 27 to 30 minutes. I'm using a convection microwave oven here. If a skewer comes out clean, the cake is completely cooked. Now cover the cake with a cloth so that the cake remains moist. Demold the cake after it's completely cooled. The cake is now ready to serve. Cut it into slices. If you enjoyed watching this video, do subscribe to my channel Home Food Jovita Noronha and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.